Well, hey there, everyone. So, I got in a package from deepdiscount.com. I saw this and, I saw this from Umbrella's Facebook page, and I was like, damn, I gotta get it. And of course, by the title, you already know what it is. Because, see, like, I know how long it takes for Deep Discount to send their stuff. And at first I was going to get it on Amazon, but then I saw their price and it was like $30, and I was like, I'm not paying $30. And I saw it on deep discount, and it was for $19, and that's shipped. I mean, it might have been maybe $21, if that. So I was like, I'll wait. And this is a brand new release from Umbrella Entertainment. And that's my dog barking in the background. Uh, and what I got is Death Wish 4 and Death Wish 5. Death Wish 4, The Crackdown, and Death Wish 5, The Face of Death. And I also have the part 2 and 3 from Umbrella, which that edition is better than what the Scream Factory, put out. Because not only did it come with part 2 and all the extra stuff, but it also came with part 3, which to me is the best one out of the series. That's just my opinion. And of course, it's part of Canon Classics. And this is a double feature. There's the look of your spine. There you go. Now, even though this says Region B, it can also be played in Region A. So I'm thinking it's probably all region. And it says, from the studio that brought you the wildest films of the 70s and 80s comes a double hit of vigilante street justice as only Charles Bronson can deliver it. Because, even though these were made like the later part of his career and not as good as the others, to me, I still thought that, these were, enjoyable. I mean, for me, anything with Charles Bronson, I'm going to like, no matter how good or bad they are. Because, I mean, these were made, later part in his life anyway, because I think Death Wish 5 is the last movie or last starring movie that he did. I know he did some TV shows of like Family of Cops or something like that. I know like in Death Wish 4 is like where his wife's daughter dies of like overdose of crack cocaine and dies, and he's out to get the drug kingpin. And I think his wife in Death Wish 5 dies because of because it's part of like a protection racket or whatever by her ex-husband. But it's pretty cool. I mean, like I said, I wanted to get it to complete my collection. I do have the MGM DVDs of this, so I'm glad to finally upgrade it to Blu-ray. let's see, as far as bonus features, you get audio commentaries by film historian Paul Talbot, author of Bronson's Loose, theatrical trailers, TV spot, TV broadcast, promo, VHS previews, and image gallery. So not that many bonus features. Let's see. It's 1080p. Total runtime 200 minutes, so probably 100 minutes on both movies. And it says, as featured in Electric Boogaloo. And that's also another one I need to pick up. But yeah, I like Charles Bronson. He's my favorite vigilante. And I also want to check out the new Death Wish movie, the one with Bruce Willis. But so you open it up, and it's cool. At least you get disc artwork, and then you get alternate artwork, which I don't really think it's all that alternate. The only difference is it doesn't have the ratings thing. See right there, right there. But at least you do get this artwork. You do get alternate sleeve. But yeah, it's been a super long time since I've seen either of these, and I really need to revisit like the rest of them. Like I got the steelbook of the first one from Best Buy, which was super cheap, which I'm glad. And I have part 2 from both Scream Factory and Umbrella. And the good thing about the Umbrella one, like I said before, is it comes with part 2 and 3. And I think part 2 is like uncut or something like that, director's cut, whatever. But yeah, if you're interested in this movie, yeah, I would say definitely get it off of deep discount, because they had a better price for it. Because like I said, I wasn't about to pay no $30. I mean, if it was like super chock full of bonus features, had a sweet slip cover or something like that, that'd be one thing. But you know, not for this release. Although, you know, this is, I'm sure, a really good release. But that was my unboxing of Death Wish 4 and Death Wish 5. In the description, I'll leave a trailer for the movies, so you can check it out. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all later.